What if I told you that for under $1,000 you could completely transform your cramped living space into a functional paradise? Today I'm revealing IKEA's most genius space-saving furniture pieces that do double, triple, even quadruple duty. And I'm betting you didn't know half of these existed. Let's be honest, American homes are getting smaller, but our stuff isn't. Whether you're downsizing, dealing with a tiny apartment, or just tired of clutter taking over your life, IKEA has become the master of making furniture work harder than a double espresso on Monday morning. 1. Småstad Loft Bed System, $849. The Småstad loft bed at $849 is like a tiny apartment in vertical form. You get a bed, desk, wardrobe, and bookcase all in the footprint of a single bed. The system includes a loft bed frame, desk with drawers, wardrobe with drawers, and a bookcase, creating a complete room solution in just 44 7/8 inches wide by 77.5 inches long. The latter can be mounted on either the right or left side of the bed, and the desk can be positioned either parallel or perpendicular to the bed. The wardrobe can also be placed in different directions, allowing you to customize the configuration to your specific space and needs. The bed accommodates a standard twin mattress. 2. Norden Theodora's Table and Chairs, $549.99. This dining set at $549.99 is pure space-saving brilliance. The Norden gate leg table adjusts from a slim 10 inches to 35 inches to a full 59 inches long while maintaining a width of 31 inches. The table also features 6 built-in drawers for storing everything from placemats to craft supplies to board games. The Theodora's chairs are designed to stack up to 6 high when not in use, allowing you to store them in a minimal footprint. This set is perfect for small dining areas, multi-purpose rooms, or anywhere you need flexible seating that can expand for gatherings and contract for everyday use. It's like having a dining room that appears and disappears on command, adapting to your needs rather than forcing you to adapt to it. 3. Trones Shoe Storage Cabinet, $39.99 per 2-pack. The Trones Shoe Storage Cabinet at just $39.99 for a 2-pack is possibly the most versatile space saver on our list. What makes Trones truly special is its adaptability. You can stack multiple units on top of each other, place them side by side, or create custom configurations to fit your specific space. Each cabinet holds approximately 4 pairs of shoes, but creative IKEA hackers have used them for everything from bathroom supplies to office materials to kids' toys. The recessed area on top provides a convenient spot for your keys, wallet, phone, or decorative items, turning even the top surface into functional space. With over 3,400 positive reviews and a 4.7-star rating, this bestseller proves that sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. 4. Resarö Mobile Drop Leaf Table, $205. The Resarö Mobile Drop Leaf Table is a versatile piece that combines storage and dining in one clever package. At $205.33, this pine table features drop leaves on both sides that can be raised or lowered as needed, transforming from a slim storage unit to a full dining table in seconds. The built-in storage includes shelves and compartments perfect for dishes, linens, or dining essentials. The wheels make it easy to move around your space, allowing you to position it wherever it's needed most, against a wall when space is tight, or in the center of the room for dinner parties. At just 20 inches wide when folded, it can fit in even the tightest spaces, but expands to provide ample dining surface when the leaves are raised. 5. Friheten Sleeper Sectional, $799. The Friheten Sleeper Sectional at $799 is a multitasking marvel that serves as a sofa, bed, and storage unit all in one. The chaise section lifts to reveal a generous storage compartment perfect for bedding, while the sofa converts easily into a comfortable bed for overnight guests. The dark gray fabric is durable and easy to maintain, making this piece practical for everyday use. At 90 inches wide and 59 inches deep, it provides ample seating while still fitting comfortably in most living rooms. What sets this sectional apart is its thoughtful design. The conversion from sofa to bed is smooth and intuitive, requiring no heavy lifting or complicated mechanisms. The storage compartment is easily accessible, even for those with mobility issues, and the firm cushions maintain their shape even with regular use. 6. Östavall Adjustable Coffee Table, $149.99. First up is the Östavall, and this thing is like the Swiss Army knife of coffee tables. At $149.99, it adjusts from 18 to 24 inches high with a simple lift mechanism that's smoother than butter on a hot pan. The table surface is a generous 35 inches long, giving you plenty of space for coffee, snacks, or your laptop when you're working from home. But here's where it gets exciting. Underneath that adjustable top is a hidden storage compartment that's perfect for remotes, magazines, or those random items that somehow always end up on your coffee table. The lifting mechanism has a safety lock to prevent unexpected closures, and the gas spring ensures it closes smoothly and safely. 7. Myllra Crib with Drawer, $499. Now, the Myllra Crib might seem like an odd choice for space saving, but hear me out. At $499, this isn't just a crib, it's a storage powerhouse disguised as baby furniture. The large drawer underneath is spacious enough to hold extra bedding, toys, seasonal clothes, or all those baby items that seem to multiply overnight. The adjustable base has 3 different height positions, making it easier on your back as your child grows. The clean white finish and Scandinavian design mean it won't look out of place even after baby has moved on to a big kid bed. 8. Billy Bookcase with Desk and Drawer, $129. The Billy series has been Ikea's bestseller for decades, but this desk combo version at $129 is pure genius that most people overlook. You get a full bookcase with adjustable shelves, a pull-out desk that extends to 44 inches, and a drawer, all in the footprint of a single bookcase. When you need workspace, simply roll out the lower shelf and tabletop, fold them up, and lock them in place. When you're done, slide everything back in and reclaim your floor space. What makes this piece exceptional is its adaptability. You can fill the shelves with different storage boxes to personalize the look and function. It's like getting 3 pieces of furniture for the price of 1, a bookcase, desk, and storage unit all rolled into one sleek package. 9. Tornsborg Chair Bed, $399. At $399, the Tornsborg looks like a stylish armchair with its visible wooden frame and clean lines, but it unfolds into a full bed in seconds. The frame adds character while cleverly hiding its secret identity as a guest bed. The bed folds out forward, allowing access from both sides, a thoughtful design detail that makes changing sheets much easier. The firm, supportive cushions make it comfortable for both sitting and sleeping, unlike those flimsy futons we all remember from college. At 33 inches wide, it's compact enough for smaller spaces, but substantial enough to feel like real furniture, not just a temporary solution. Hey there, if you're loving these space-saving solutions so far, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now, let's get back to these amazing transforming pieces. 10. Utåker Stackable Bed System, $407. Here's where Ikea gets really clever. The Utåker system gives you 2 twin beds that stack for single use or separate for a king-size bed. At $407 for the complete system with 2 Östavall foam mattresses, you're getting incredible versatility that adapts to your changing needs. The lightweight wooden frames are easy to move and rearrange, making this perfect for guest rooms, kids' rooms, or studio apartments. When stacked, they become a single bed or sofa. Unstacked, you get a double bed, corner sofa, or spare bed for sleepovers. 11. Småskrake Multifunctional Child Chair, table, $29.99. Don't let the kid-focused name fool you. At just $29.99, this little powerhouse works as a chair, table, or step stool. The ingenious design allows you to use it as a table, a chair with a low seat, or a chair with a high seat, simply by flipping it different ways. Made from bamboo and steel, it's surprisingly sturdy and built to last. At just 15 inches in each dimension, it's compact enough to tuck away when not needed, but useful enough that you'll probably keep it out all the time. Sometimes the best solutions come in small packages, and at this price point, you might want to grab more than one. 12. Norberg Wall Mount Drop Leaf Table, $109.99. The Norberg at $109.99 is a game changer for tiny kitchens and home offices. It mounts to the wall, folds down when not in use, and includes adjustable storage shelves where you can keep everyday essentials nearby. The clean, simple design fits in most settings and lets your personal items take center stage. The storage compartment includes movable shelves for tableware, desk accessories, or decorative items, and one shelf is equipped with holders for plates, books, or similar items. There's even a small movable tray for pencils, cutlery, or other small items, plus hooks on the sides for towels or headphones. 13. Billy Bookcase Combination with Foldable Table, $188. For larger spaces, the full combination at $188 gives you maximum storage and workspace. At 47¼ inches wide and 79½ inches tall, this substantial unit provides ample storage, while the integrated table extends to create a proper desk area that's 42½ inches deep when fully extended. The beauty of this larger combination is that it allows you to create a complete home office in a space that would normally just hold a bookcase. The height draws the eye upward, making rooms feel larger and more spacious. The adjustable shelves let you customize the storage configuration to hold everything from books to decorative items to office supplies. Pull out the table for everything from notebooks and laptops to coffee mugs, then slide it back when you need the floor space. 14. Eket Storage Combination, $135. The Eket system at $135 is like adult Legos for your home. These cubes can be stacked, wall-mounted, or arranged in countless configurations to create a storage solution that's uniquely yours. The asymmetrical design with different-sized compartments looks intentionally stylish, not like you just threw storage together out of necessity. This combination provides substantial storage without overwhelming your space. The adjustable feet make it possible to compensate for any irregularities in your floor, ensuring stability even on uneven surfaces. The versatility of this system means it can evolve as your needs change. Add more units, reconfigure what you have, or move them to different rooms entirely. 15. Idanäs Drop Leaf Table, $199.99. The Idanäs at $199.99 is the chameleon of dining tables. It adjusts from a compact 20-inch console to a full 33-inch dining table with a simple flip of the leaf. The built-in drawer provides storage for linens, cutlery, or other dining essentials, and the rich dark brown wood finish looks way more expensive than it is. One customer uses it as a desk daily and expands it for dinner parties. Perfect for small spaces. Love the fact that it is multifunctional and can be used daily as a desk and can expand when needed to a dining table. This is the kind of versatile piece that becomes the workhorse of your home, serving multiple functions throughout the day. 16. Hemnes Daybed with 3 drawers, $657. Yes, the Hemnes Daybed at $657 is our priciest piece, but it's essentially 4 pieces of furniture in one. It's a sofa, single bed, king-size bed when extended, and massive storage unit all rolled into one elegant package. The high frame creates a cozy, cocoon-like feel, and the lacquered finish makes it easy to maintain. The 3 large drawers measure 20 inches wide by 27 inches deep, providing ample storage for everything from extra bedding to seasonal clothes to hobby supplies. The bed base is adjustable, and the included Östavall foam mattresses provide all-over support and comfort with resilient foam. 17. Nipåsen Coat Rack and Bench, $79.99. At $79.99, the Nipåsen solves the eternal entryway problem with style and efficiency. It's a coat rack, shoe storage, and bench all in one sleek unit measuring 74 and 3/4 inches tall, 31 and 1/8 inches wide, and just 13 and 3/4 inches deep, perfect for narrow hallways and small entryways. The metal shelf is made of stretched metal, a smart design choice that uses minimal material while allowing dirt to fall through. There's room for 4 pairs of shoes on the shelf, plus space for another 4 pairs if you add the optional bag muck shoe mat that fits perfectly underneath. The height of the shoe rack makes it easy to clean underneath, and the mat can be pulled out for quick cleaning. 18. Billy bookcase with foldable table, single, $129. This smaller version of the Billy desk combo at $189 is perfect for tighter spaces at just 31 inches wide. The foldable table pulls out to 44 inches deep when you need workspace and tucks away seamlessly to just 12 inches deep when you don't. What makes this version special is its compact footprint combined with its impressive functionality. The shelves are adjustable, allowing you to customize the storage to your needs. The table mechanism rolls out smoothly on wheels and locks securely in place when extended. It's like having a secret office hidden in plain sight, ready to deploy whenever you need it and disappear when you don't. Here's what most people don't realize. When furniture serves multiple purposes, it doesn't just save space, it saves mental energy. Instead of having 5 different pieces to think about, clean around, and organize, you have one piece that does it all. Your home should work for you, not against you. These 18 IKEA pieces prove that you don't need a mansion to live comfortably. You just need furniture that's as clever as you are. From the $29.99 Småskrake that punches way above its weight class to the $849 Småstad that's basically a tiny apartment in furniture form, each piece offers real solutions to real space problems. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button. I post new videos every week on smart living solutions for real homes and real budgets. Trust me, you'll thank me later.